Group Hill Fit method determines average XC50 values from dose response experiments. With the QPatch assay software, you have two different methods to determine these. For the standard Group Hill Fit method, data have to be normalized before the fitting routine is activated. For the Group Hill Fit Flex method, individual baselines are used as input and data are not normalized before the fitting. Each method ends up with an average XC50 value for each compound. For each method, you need to start with the IT plot, and I've already generated here. Let's start to make the normalized Group Hill Fit. You click on Liquid Pure Results to be able to normalize your data, and you click on the normalization function here. Now I choose my IT plot as input, and then I choose the normalization formula that fits my data the best. Like this, and I can go on to dose response plots, and I choose my normalized IT plot as input. Here you can see the different method listed, and if you want to know more about the normalized Group Hill Fit method and the Group Hill Fit Flex method, you can use the F1 function and read in details more about each method. I start using the normalized Group Hill Fit method. This is the configuration window for this method, and you have to choose the parameters so they fit your data the best. Here you get an average dose response plot, where all the data where quinidine have been tested are used as input. If you right-click on the graph, you can have the data presented with error bars. Now if you go on to group results, you will find the average XC50 value for each compound listed in this table. Now I will go back and test the Hill Fit Flex method. Again, I have my IT plot as input, and this time I do not normalize my data first. So I choose my average IT plot as input, and I choose my method. And again here you find the configuration window for the Hill Fit Flex method. For this method, saline periods cannot be fixed, but you can use them as infinitive small concentrations. And I will do this. Here you see the individual dose response plots, where the current level has been fitted for the individual curve, and the IC50 value is calculated as a group result. Again, if you go down to the group results, you will find the XC50 value determined for each compound with this Group Hill Fit Flex method listed in this table. And here you have a view of the two different methods used.